Dear learners and viewers, hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Creator. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Creator. Dear student, welcome Faridpur Virtual School and Ishan Girls Virtual School. Firstly, I introduce you to myself. I am Madhav Chandra Das, Assistant Headmaster, Ishan Girls High School, Faridpur. Today, I discuss with you Class 7 English First Paper, Unit 6, Lesson B, Travelling by Train. Dear student, let's start the class. This is lessons identity, subject English First Paper, Class 7, Unit 6, Leisure, Lesson 5, Travelling by Train, textbook page number 58. Dear student, look at the screen. Can you say what type of travelling it is? Can you say what type of travelling it is? Yes, I think you understand. Today's lesson is Travelling by Train 2. Learning outcomes of this lesson, student will be able to talk about travelling by train, describe a train journey, ask and answer question. The student, open your English for Today textbook at the page number 58. Read about the train journey. Zishan, Julie and their parents, Mr. and Mrs. Arif Khan, got into a first-class compartment at Kamlapur railway station. It was Dewanganj bound Tista Express. The train left at 8 o'clock. Zishan saw that the departure time on the big timetable at the station was 7:30. However, the train was running quite fast. The children sat by the window beside their parents. The compartment was half empty. Yesterday, Julie downloaded a beautiful poem on a train journey by Robert Louis Stevenson. She took a printout of the poem. Now, while looking out of the window, she found similarities between the poem and real scenery. She took out the poem and began to read. The student now analyzes the text. From this slide, we see a family, Zishan, Julie and their parents, Mr. and Mrs. Arif Khan, got into a first-class compartment at Kamlapur railway station. This is Kamlapur railway station. Dear student, follow the screen. It was Dewanganj. Dewanganj is a station bound Tista Express. Came from Tista Express. The train left at 8 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock and this is Tista Express. Zishan saw that the departure time on the big timetable at the station was 7:30. This is departure timetable. Tista Express fast 7:30 a.m. This is Tista Express. However, the train was running quite fast. This is the scenario of train. The children sat the window. The children sat the window. From the picture, we see that the children sat the window beside their parents. The compartment was half empty. From this slide, we see that the compartment was half empty. Yesterday, Julie downloaded a beautiful poem on a train journey by Robert Louis Stevenson. She took a printout of the poem. This is scenario of printout. This picture, Robert Louis Stevenson. Dear student, follow the screen, and we know the person whose name is Robert Louis Stevenson. Now, while looking out of the window, she found similarities between the poem and real scenario. Poem and real scenario. This is a poem and this is a real scenario. She took out the poem and began to read. Now, we learn words and their meaning of the text. Firstly, parent. Parent means a father or mother. Compartment. Compartment means chamber oblique room, half empty, incomplete oblique vacant. Station means a regular place on a public transportation route. Departure. Departure means typically to start a journey. Download. Copy data from one computer system to another. Print out. A page or set of pages of printed material produced by computer printer. Similarities. Sameness oblique uniformity, likeness. Take means obtain, receive, or acquire. Poem, a piece of writing with sound and rhythm. Journey means tour oblique traveling. Window. Window means opening in the wall or roof of building or vehicle that is fitted with glass or other transparent material in a frame to admit light or air and allow people to see out. Read the page about traveling by train to from the textbook and write the answer of the following question. Dear student, page number, open your book at the page number 59. Now, question number 1. Why are all the seats in the compartment taken? Dear student, follow the question. Question number 1. Why are all the seats in the compartment taken? Yes, this is answer. No, all the seats are not taken in the compartments. All the seats are not taken in the compartment. Now, question number 2. Where did Jishan sit? Where did Jishan sit? Answer. Jishan sat by the windows beside his parents. Answer. Jishan sat by the windows beside his parents. Now question number 3. Where is the train going? Dear student, follow the questions. Where is the train going? Answer. The train is going to Dewanganj. Answer. The train is going to Dewanganj. Question number 4. From where the train is going to Dewanganj? Question number 4. from where the train is going to Dewanganj? Answer, the train is going to Dewanganj from Kamlapur railway station. Okay, dear student, now tick the correct answer. Question number 1. Which compartment did they get? A. First class compartment, B. Second class compartment, C. Third class compartment. The student, correct answer is first class compartment. Question number 2. The train was running dash. A. Quite slow, B. Quite fast, C. Quite delay. Answer, correct answer is yes, quite fast. Question number 3. Who took out the poem and began to read? Question number 3. Who took out the poem and began to read? A number, Julie, B. Zisan, C. Father. Correct answer is Julie. Yes, correct answer is Julie. Question number 4. The compartment was dash. A. Full empty, B. Quarter empty, C. Half empty. Correct answer is half empty. The student, it is very easy for you and it is important for your annual examination. Now we learn true or false. Number 1. Zisan saw that the departure time on the big timetable at the station was 7:30. Yes, this statement is true. Question number 2. Yesterday, Julie downloaded a beautiful poem on train journey by Robert Louis Strong. Tell me, the student, it is correct statement, it is true statement or false statement? Yes, you are right, it's a false statement because correct statement is Robert Louis Stevenson, not Strong. Question number 3. Zisan downloaded a beautiful poem on a train journey. Zisan downloaded a beautiful poem on a train journey. The students, it is not true, it is false because correct statement is Julie downloaded a beautiful poem on a train journey. Question number 4. The children sat the window beside their parents. Yes, this statement is true. Question number 5. Zisan took a printout of the poem. Zisan took a printout of the poem. This statement is false because not Zisan, Julie. Julie took a printout of the poem. Dear student, now time for evaluation. Question number 1. What was written the departure time? I think you know from this class. You know that what was the written the departure time. Question number 2. Did the train leave Kamlapur station late or on time? Question number 3. Where did Julie get the poem from? Question number 4. What was Julie doing from her seat? The student, I think you do all the question. Now I help you to answer. Answer number 1. The departure time was written on the big timetable at the station was 7 past 30 am. Answer 2. The train left Kamalapur station late. Answer number 3. Julie got the poem from the internet. Answer number 4. Julie saw similarities between the poem and real scene. Dear student, I request you to share my class with your friends. In your friends, now it is for you. Individual work. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Zishan saw that the dash time on the big time dash at the station was 7 past 30. However, the train was running quite dash fast. The children sat the window beside their parent. The dash was half empty. The student, I gave you a homework. You will bring to write a paragraph on journey by train. It's your homework. Journey by train. I think journey by train is important for your annual examination. Individual work and homework you must do at home. When your school is open or going on, you must show your homework and individual work to your subject teacher. So dear student, see you again. Stay at home. Thanks to all with me. Okay, bye bye.